Hi guys, this is LT Survival. Today we have a treat. Another one. It's a knife I found last summer and I've been wearing it with my duty uniform. And it's a Grenier, a couteau Grenier, 1991. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. Well, as you can see in the intro, Couteau Grenier, this is the chapter 13 of the historic knife. Couteau Grenier were handmade by Roger Grenier, which made his knife debut in St. Hubert, Quebec in 1980. He made knife until he moved to, well, he basically made knife and moved to Saint-Jovite, which is north of Montreal. And he took on an apprentice in 1993. The apprentice, after 8 months, went his way and basically made his own company. And he's still working today. It's Eric Séguin Knife, which makes specialty knife. And the Couteau Grenier has been going on up until 2006, where he sold the company to another gentleman, the Gauthier, Mr. Guy-Philippe Gauthier, who honored the warranty because these knives were warranty for life, up until 2012, where he sold the company back to two young gentlemen in Mont-Tremblant, north again of nearby Saint-Jovite. And the company, after 33 years of existence, ceased his operation, it seems. I don't think the young guy pursued the thing. The Couteau Grenier were made in 1095 in the 90s, in 80s, 90s, and that's quite different. Beautiful leather sheet. I'm going to show you the sheet. So it's a drop-in leather sheet. Okay, if I put the knife in, just push it underneath the lip, and it's locked in. It's not the tightest fit. I could reform it a little more to get it tighter, but it's very comfortable wear, and it's most of the knife is underneath the belt, so no sticking in the sides. So the knife, he used micarta and 1095 steel. It's a high polish blade, thereabouts for a 5-inch blade. Yeah, all kinds of smear on it. I bought this knife from the original owner again, and that was the hunting knife he bought 30 years ago. It's marked Grenier 1991. If I can show it to you guys. Let me get closer. Maybe you'll be able to see it. So, not sure. Oh, here it is. Grenier 1991. So all the knives were dated like that. The handle is really comfortable. I have not polished this blade. I've barely wiped it out. Okay, there's a little rust on the side, but nothing major. I'm gonna polish it out a little more when I'll be able. This knife has been resharpened, not necessarily ground. I'm not sure is the grind, the secondary grind is original, but even though it's been made with the machine, it's not that bad, and I'll be able to fix that at a later point. But it's a really comfortable knife. A bolster in the copper bolster with a guard. The handle is really slick. The finish is sweet, and the weight of the knife in the hand is like it's perfect. I mean, these are really beautiful knife. You have the lanyard hold, 3 pins, and it's, I don't know, it's for me it fits perfectly in my hand. Really well balanced, cuts really well. Even though it's not the original bevel, but I'm pretty sure it's pretty close. And it's I've used this knife when I'm out with the cadets now, and it became my duty knife. Really happy about it because it's light on the belt, well balanced, and look at that thickness of that leather. I mean, it's a beautiful piece. So this is the logo. Also, you see Grenier logo. It's nice. So basically that's it. Made in Quebec. I was really happy to find this knife, and it's beautiful. I mean, it's handling and everything is really easy with it. It's slick. Gloves then, no problem. I mean, the sheath does its job, keeps the knife on your hip, doesn't overhold it. I could probably remold a bit of the sheath to be able to get it tighter, but I mean, do I really want to? Not necessarily. It's a beautiful piece. I'm really happy to have found this one. So another one to the collection. Not much to say more, but Couteau Séguin is on the internet, so I'm going to try to put the link in the description. Couteau Séguin makes what I've seen, what he's produced lately is staghorns handled knife, handmade, beautiful piece. I'm eventually going to be looking up if we can see him a little more. So I'm assuming his knives are only one-off piece, so probably costly, very costly. That's custom knife work. So here you go. This is it. This is the Couteau Grenier, one of the Quebec Knifemaker. It was quite prestigious. It's sold in Ontario, in Quebec. You might have sold a couple in the States. I'm not sure. Not much is known on those makers. So hope you enjoy it. One more beautiful knife for the collection. A beautiful piece of Couteau Grenier. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. See if you have any comments. I know there's many Quebecers that have some of those. So if you have the other model, always interested in seeing them. I know he had different color miquetta. Or was it G10? Not sure. G10 miquetta? No, it's probably G10. One of the first one of using G10. So for his handle. So it's interesting. A couple of colors I've seen: yellow, I've seen black, stag, but not much more. So hopefully we'll have more of those examples that are going to pop up in the comments. So if you like this video, like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you back in the next one.